Hello guys, we have a new problem with our jacuzzi. Pumps 1 works, pump 3 circulation pump works, the blower also works, but pump 2 is not working. You can hear a buzzing noise. So if you want, you can replace the start capacitor first. That's this one, but because there is a lot of rust on the axle over here, I have decided to order a new pump. So I will show you how you can replace it. First we need to drain the entire jacuzzi, because there are no valves between this, and when it's drained we can disconnect this side and this side. Just turn it counterclockwise, and then we have to unscrew 4 bolts over here. This to one, this 2, and on the other side 2 bolts, and then disconnect all the electricity. But first shut down the electricity, of course. So the pump is a Chinese pump from the brand DXD, and the tip number is DXD 320E. These pumps are still available. You can buy them in Holland. So I've bought one there, and I think it will arrive tomorrow. So I will keep you posted. Draining the jacuzzi. The new pump already arrived, so it's identically the same like the old one over there. Just we have to turn this, we have to loosen this bolt, this bolt, this bolt and that bolt, and then turn it 90 degrees over here. We have new seals, and I've ordered also a new rubber for this, for vibrations. So that comes over here like that. So the electricity is off. We will disconnect it, turn this 90 degrees, and place the pump back in, fill it up with water, and get the air out of the pump, this pump, also that pump, and the jacuzzi must be fixed then. Like that. We will disconnect the wiring from the earth, from the old pump, and connect it on the new one. So that's the first step, and then we will open this part and do the wiring to the new pump. So the wires from the engine to one side of the capacitor and the other wire to this side of the capacitor, and the other one goes over here, and that's the brown wire, and also the earth is at this point connected. For the size 27 you can unscrew that bolt, that wattle like we say in Belgium. First we have to pull out this part. We can pull this through like that. Then we can see the 11-year-old pump or 12-year-old pump and a new one. So it's still the same. We have luck that we have the possibility to order a new one. So we will open this and connect the wiring. So the new capacitor. So we will remove this wire and use the old one. So I've put the old wire back into this box over here. This ground I have already connected. We will use the ground over here to connect over there, and then the blue wire on this side, and the brown wire we will connect over here, and then we can place the pump in place. So the earth is connected, the blue wire over here, like that, and the brown wire over here, like that. And then everything is connected well. Vibration rubber is over there, and then the new gaskets, and then we can place the 4 bolts back in, connect the in and the outlet, and fill it up with water. Also close the drain over here, close this drain. This is worn, so it doesn't close perfect anymore. So I will make a sticker over here that's pump 2 for the steering. The old gaskets, totally worn and flattened out, and the new round O-rings, new gaskets, and the old vibration mat. So the pump is already almost in place, so we will put the new rubbers in, also over here. Now we can place the pump in the right direction. possible to let the air out if you're filling up the jacuzzi and the level is already higher than the outlet of the pump, that you lose this part a little bit, and when there comes water out, that you fasten it again, so all the air is out of the pump, so it can cavitate. So that you can do if you have problems with the pump, or just fill it up entirely, and if the pump does not give, loosen that a little bit, not entirely, let the air escape, and then fasten it again. So now we will put in the 4 bolts, and then we can fill the jacuzzi up. So the new pump is placed in again. The 4 bolts are in the pump. I just have to tighten them up. So we will fill the jacuzzi up. The drain is closed. So we will fill the jacuzzi up, and when it's entirely full, the level is higher than this side of the pump, we will loosen this a little bit to let the air out. Also on this pump we can loosen this a little bit, let the air out, and then fill the entire jacuzzi, and then everything has to work again. So the new vibration mat is in, the 4 bolts are in, the new gaskets are in over here and over here. The electricity is connected. I have opened this, all the air came out, and a little bit of water also. Also the pump over there. I loosened this one and let the air out. Here you can see the old pump. We're filling up, and when the level is over here, the pumps will start to work. So you can see, only a few minutes and the level is high enough so we can test all the pumps. And I will select the second pump also. So the second pump, the one I've replaced, so directly you can see the pump was turning. And it's okay. Everything seems to work perfect again. So that's how you replace a pump of a jacuzzi. So this one was from 2011, so it's 12 years old, because we're in 2023 now. I hope this pump will last also for 12 years. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.